Coffee move every day millions and millions of dollars every single day. Uh, the most of that money goes to the people in the stock market. But however, the coffee production is the only way of live or life for millions of people, not only in Dominican Republic, but also in other countries of Latin America, as countries in Africa and Asia. So every day when you have a cup of coffee, you are moving some money that move the economic of millions of poor people on the world. Think about that when you are buying coffee, okay?
Yes.
Especially when you are buying coffee that is not Starbucks. Anybody works on Starbucks? No. Say it to them.
Stand there long enough to sell you insurance. I don't like Starbucks coffee.
It has so much hidden sugar too, right?
Starbucks coffee better. I have a local coffee shop, and he imports all of his beans from.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
down
look at the
here, all
bananas.
organic.
Ooh. I think I was a farmer in one of my lifetimes. I like to hug trees and stuff, but I'm not hugging these. I love you, leaves. Yeah, or herbalist or something. We're definitely getting our workout today. Yeah. Woo. Woo.
You okay?
Yeah.